Hello there, Amy! Welcome back to LVL'sXPlayroom! Andito na naman si ate para turuan kayo kung paano gumawa ng... ano nga ba? Ate, kung paano naman gumawa ng stickers? Ikaw pala yan, Hazel. Ginulat mo naman kami, pero pwede. Kasi gusto ko pong gumawa ng thank you stickers. Magandang idea nga yan, Hazel. Hindi ka lang makakagawa ng thank you stickers para sa mga clients mo, pwede mo rin itong maging source of income. Kaya tara, let's make it happen! First step, let's go to browser kasi we need to design our thank you sticker. I use Canva for all of my greeting and display cards. Canva ba ka naman? Now let's start designing. Actually, hindi lang thank you stickers ang pwede mong magawa dito sa Canva for your projects. Pwede ka rin makapag-design ng bookmarks and other digital products. Pagkatapos, i-download na natin. After natin ma-download, the second step is to arrange it in Microsoft Word. Just paste our thank you sticker and resize it. 1 by 1 inch or 2.5 by 2.5 cm ang usual size of thank you stickers. Pwede mo namang i-resize sa part nito yung stickers na gagawin mo. Then copy-paste and... it's printing time! Let's open the Microsoft Word. As you can see, it's ready for printing na. Oops, sorry for the reflection. Don't forget din pala i-resize yung paper para walang aberya sa pag-print. For the paper na gagamitin natin, we'll be using sticker paper na matte na mabibili sa National Bookstore. Ganito naman ang texture niya sa close-up, hindi glossy, unlike kapag satin texture ng sticker paper yung gagamitin natin. The next thing we do is to print it out. Kung makikita ninyo, walang reflection ng lights dahil hindi ito glossy type. Tada! Here's the result. Now, for our last step, i-make sure nating secure yung design ng ating thank you stickers na kapag aksidenteng nabasa, still maiiwasang magka-smudge or kumalat yung ink. Okay! I have here 2 sets para sa magkaibang ways na gagawin natin mamaya. Ito yung mga materials needed for securing the print on our stickers. First is scissors. Tandaan, mag-ingat sa paggamit ng gunting. Okay! Next is, prepare your stickers. We also need cloth to make sure later na walang bubble sa mabubuo sa printed stickers. And lastly is our clear vinyl sticker paper. As you can see, nagre-reflect yung light dahil may pagka-glossy ito. Ganito naman ang magiging itsura kapag pinil natin yung both side. Bago natin i-cut yung outline ng design, ilagay muna natin yung set ng stickers sa clear vinyl sheet na ito. Then i-peel natin both side. Huwag nating isasagad yung pag-peel. Get the stickers, place it on the center of the vinyl paper, then get a cloth and start rubbing the clear vinyl pababa sa stickers to flatten it and make sure na walang bubbles. Then, saka na natin gugupitin yung pinaka-outline ng design using scissors. Alright, so here's the actual result. Now let's try. Perfect! Then gupitin mo lang, Rumi, yung mga natirang stickers. Yung second way naman ay tuturo namin sa iyo, Rumis, kung kanina gumamit tayo ng clear vinyl sticker, ngayon naman ay packaging tape. Kunin natin yung thank you sticker, then using scissors, ikakat muna natin yung first design na lalagyan natin ng packaging tape. Then get the packaging tape. You may also attach yung tape sa board or surface para masukat if kasya yung thank you sticker na gagawin natin. Then get a cloth, like in the procedure sa vinyl, will wrap the packaging tape para dumikit sa surface ng thank you sticker. Then pag okay na, ikat na natin using scissors. Then umpisahan na rin nating ikat yung outline to get the design. And there you have it. It's time to test it. We want to welcome our new roomies dito sa LVL's Playroom. We hope na marami kayong natutunan sa tutorial na ito. And to be more updated, please hit like, subscribe, and notification bell below para lagi tayong magkukumustahan. And follow us on our social media accounts here and also here. Thank you very much. We love you and God bless you all.